Salmon salad with chia. If you want a quality and tasty meal, yet healthy and filling, then look no further than the salmon salad with chia. First, cook salmon on both sides in a skillet with olive oil. You will season the salmon with garlic salt to taste. Next, cut vegetables into bite-sized pieces and place them on a plate or in a bowl. Now, I'm going to work on the chia salad sauce. Mix apple vinegar, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and stir it slowly. Drizzle the sauce on top. Packed with omega-3, this salmon salad with chia will make it insanely easy to plan your healthy meals ahead. There are so many perks to it, especially for those of us trying to keep our weight and health in check. A truly simple and healthy diet for you.